In this video, we are going to have a look at another delicious dish. It is a rice puller. It's one of my favorites, yet it's so easy to make, just like all the other recipes in my channel. This is Brinjal Sambol. You can make the exact thing using bitter gourd as well. These are the ingredients needed. As usual, I have listed them in the description section as well. I'm using only one medium-sized brinjal so that it will be easy for you to gauge the amount of other ingredients that you need for the amount of brinjal that you are using. Cut into thin slices and fry directly, no need to marinate. It's fried, it's nice and golden brown in color. Shift it into a big bowl. Next step is to add the onions and green chillies. I've chopped the onions very finely. Everything that's going to go into this dish is to be chopped finely. I've deseeded the green chilies as well because once everything is mixed, it's very hard to spot the seeds. Add everything to the same mixing bowl. It's already looking so pretty and colorful. At this point, we have to add black pepper. I'm going to first add 1/4 teaspoon. If we add too much, then the color might get spoiled as well. Add some salt and mix together. Next step is to add the lime juice. Add a little bit of it, mix everything and just taste and see if it's fine. If the lime is not enough, feel free to add a little bit more. If you think that the lime is too much, then add a little bit of salt to balance it. Also check whether the amount of pepper you added is enough. Keep tasting in between and adjust the seasoning. If you are doing it for some guests and you want it to look nice and fresh, what you can do is you can fry the brinjal and keep it separately, chop all the other ingredients and leave it separately, and then mix everything together about 30 minutes before serving it in the dining table. As you can see, I am adjusting my seasoning as I keep mixing. Repeat that same step until you are really satisfied with the flavor. The hint of the lime should be there, but it shouldn't be too sour, so you have to balance it with the salt as well. Mine is done. You can even add tomatoes. If you are adding tomatoes, add it along with the onions and chilies, and you won't be needing this much of lime. This is very healthy. I did it in the traditional way, so I deep fried the brinjals, but you can make it healthier by shallow frying it, air frying it, or by spraying some oil and grilling it in the oven. You can refrigerate this up to a week, but trust me, it's not gonna last that long. You'll finish it in no time. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll be uploading more yummy recipes that can be done very easily by anyone.